Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, going to go for a put here at 28.50. I don't like that at all. What's going on with that? Did I get a really bad fill or something? Okay, yeah, $10 on that. I'm confused right now. I'm not sure. I guess it's just a super tight range right now. Watching level twos, I got a decent sized move in my favor, but I looked down and I think I was still a little underwater. Yeah, that was, I don't know. I'll have to think. Again, this is live. This is happening right now. So do I have an answer for you right at this very moment? I do not. Hence me just hopping out for that $10 because I don't know. Is they'll... Sometimes, you know, there's technical issues. I'm not saying that's the case here, but anyways, yeah, confused on that one. Not sure what was going on. I'm glad I got out where I did. I mean, even if it had gone in my favor, I still did the right thing to get out. If you're that confused and not quite sure what's going on, then yeah, just get out of the trade. So like I said, even if it had crashed, I still did the right thing by just hopping out for $10 given the circumstances. But okay, yeah. All right, well, I will pause. And I should note, I'm doing options here. If you have no idea what I mean by options, comment below, option guide or guide, and I'll link you to a class put together called The Big Basics of Options, and I'll walk you through the basic terminologies, how all this stuff is working, and ideally give you a better insight into things. So, okay, well, it is what it is. A bizarre start, and I wish I had more answers for you, but I don't. But I will pause, and I'll keep an eye on it. All right, going to go for a call here at 25. Got that. Call at 25. Yeah, what? I don't know what's going on. It's me. It's not the markets, but I can't figure out. It is kind of a crazy day, so I think that's playing with the implied volatility, which is messing with some other things here. But this is, I got some nice movements in my favor, and then when I look, I'm still like at break even. So I think there's just a whole lot of, I don't want to overwhelm you. And like I said, options, very straightforward, but this is, sometimes they get a little peculiar, and this just happens to be one of those days. But for those of you that have watched other videos, then you know most times they're very straightforward. But yeah, this has just been a bit of a challenge here. So yeah. All right, well, I will pause. And yeah, in hindsight, I should have held, but one of those things where, like I said, I started to get some movement in my favor, and then I look at where I'm at option-wise, and I'm basically at break even, if not a little underwater there still. So I don't know. Let me know maybe you have a different observation. Let me know down in the comment section. I am all ears. Again, by the time this gets posted, I'll have had time to think through things a little bit more. But you know, this is genuinely live in the sense of it's right now. So I don't really have any sort of concrete answer, just kind of guesses like that. But yeah, that was. Maybe I just need to get up out of this $20 range for now. That's that may help out here a bit. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I'm in at 47 for a put and out very, very quickly for $50. There we go. Okay. That felt a whole lot more normal, not necessarily because it happened so fast, but just got filled watching level 2s. Everything behaved as it should have. So that one felt way better. And as you can see here, I was at a higher price, so a different strike price. And again, don't let that terminology freak you out. All that is explained in the guide, and it's not complicated. It may make me sound cool or like sound really advanced, but it's not. It's not. So changing strike price brought up the price of the actual option contract, and that movement just felt a whole lot better. I am interested around 494.30. So potentially, yeah, 44.50. Let me throw that. Yeah, 44.50. There we go. Okay, we'll see if this thing wants to make another move up. I will pause for now. Have an order at 47.50 here for a put. I change it to 47.30. All right, I will pause and we'll see if it can get its way up there. Whoa, that was fast. Got filled at 47. Holy smokes. Okay, got filled at 47 and out at 47.50 in the blink of an eye. I captured the exit point, but I did not capture the entry point because it happened so fast. But if you scroll back, you'll notice that that order right there is already green. And then I threw out another order, and that was white for just a second. And then it went to green, meaning I was filled. So, that was goofy. Now, all of a sudden, yeah, because that's right. I'm pretty sure I'd been filled. I got filled up around there, and previously it was 47, 47.50, but now all of a sudden these are even lower. But I guess I don't know for sure since it happened so fast. But either way, another very fast trade. That's how I like it. So I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 45.50. All right. Actually going to look, and this thing looks like it's got a good, so let me do 42.50. Maybe I should have left it at 45.50, but so I would have definitely been filled. I can do a little paper trade here. So this needs to go up. Yep, I would have been fine. I was going to say that needs to go up over 46, and it's over 46 now. So would have been okay. And I say over 46 because just because it's at 46 doesn't mean I would have been filled. So yeah, I would have been able to get a little scalp there, but let's see if we can get a bit more. Of a move up through. So I'm at 42.50. I will pause. Okay, I changed my order to 45. All right, I'll pause. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, depending on how this candle... Oh, last second, that candle did not close how I wanted it to. All right, I thought for sure I was going to throw in an order for 44 based on that candle, but I didn't quite get the candle I was looking for, so never mind. Wow, last second it changed shape, and I didn't feel confident enough with that shape of it, so I'm going to pass on it now. And that's why I'm glad I listened to that one, because next candle here, that would have been a losing trade, so very, very happy with that decision. But yeah, sometimes that's definitely the argument for why you want to let the candle finish. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 33 here for a put. For a second, it looked like it was going to shoot up there. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have that order at 33 here for a put. I'm going to cancel that out. I thought I'd get filled when it moved up there, but I didn't. So at that point, that told me that if I was going to get filled, very real possibility it's going to be breaking up through that level, which means I could get a better entry point. Yeah, I still want to be filled even if it was at 33. Yeah, okay. If anything, I'm going to look to play a break of this area here. I'll pause. So that's exactly what I meant. Had I been filled, it would have just gone right against me now. But I am now looking at a potential new entry point here. If this thing can get some momentum here on the break. I'm actually going to change strike prices. There we go. All right, I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, going to go for a put here at 39.50. A little too slow on that one. All right. I will pause. All right, going to go for a call here at 43, and I got that. Call at 43. So once again, not liking that action at all. The day of $10 bills, huh? Third $10 trade, crazy. Gave it enough time, and right now it feels like it's right on the ledge of a 50-50. I can see it bouncing, but I can just as easy seeing it drop down. So, and I'm glad I played it the way I did, because that would now be starting to be... I need to stop talking and look to reposition myself here. Actually, what is that right there? Oh yeah, I like this entry point. 495. So if this thing can get down to 495, I like that quite a bit to try again. But yeah, I definitely played that one the right way. To be fair, once more, it could have just as easily bounced, but it transitioned into that phase where it felt like a 50-50 type coin flip. And I'm not here to do coin flips. If I want to do that, I'll just go to Vegas. But I'm here to trade when I feel as though I have an edge. And I felt as though I had an edge, but then it didn't quite start to, and then it kind of transitioned to that 50-50. I thought, then no thanks. But I definitely like the odds down here of 495 producing a winning trade. But one step at a time, the prices first got to get down there. But yeah, pretty crazy. 3 trades that just resulted in $10. I will pause. Have an order at 48.50 here for a call. Go 48.30. Getting pretty jumpy. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 30. Wow. 31.50 got filled for a call. And out for $50 there. I apologize once again. That thing just... flush. Just, I wasn't, over here was not anywhere close to 31.50. And then in the blink of an eye, I was in. That order there had changed from white to green, but you did see that one white out there for a little bit, but I got to stop talking, because if this thing wants to keep dropping, then I will be ready for it again. I'm actually going to change strike prices though, and we'll see if this thing wants to keep on dropping. But there we go. Another trade. That one went very well, other than me not being able to capture it on video, or the entry point at least on video, but still got the best part, the exit. So, all right, I will pause. Have an order at 45.30 for a call. From second, it was looking like it was going to want to do one of those freak moves down, and it started to, but then it quickly recovered back upward, so I didn't want to miss the entry, but I'll do my best. No promises, though. Have an order at 42.70. Okay, that was a move that I wanted. So let's just go to 40 now. I'll be extra greedy. All right, it's coming down quite a bit, so 39. And if I don't get filled, it's not a big deal. I'm already up nice on the day, so I'll be extra cautious. Because again, if I don't get filled, then, oh well, I'm still up plenty green. Okay, let's see if this wants to pull down some more. And I have an order out there at 39. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 43. $41.50 then. I will pause. Have an order at 39.30. Did cancel that out. Thinking about. Yeah, I should be a little bit more patient. That blue line has been my plan for a while, and then I started to make adjustments, and which I, although right here is not terrible, I need to just stick with my original plan up there around 493.35. So if we can get a move up there, I would definitely be interested. I'll pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. Busy day, 6 trades if I counted. Yeah, because we had, let's see, 5 here, and then there was one that was took a couple of trades on it. So 6 total trades. 3 of them didn't work out. I had to just take that $10 move. So I really, I'm happy. I'll take the money, but yeah, well, in my ideal world, I'd be up a lot more than that. Given how those 3 trades worked out, but that's okay. Not every trade's always going to work out exactly how you like it. But yeah, good variety here. Started off, if I remember right, because it's now 3 p.m. Eastern time. So this has been hours ago, but if I remember right, I think the first 1 or 2 trades I was a little confused on. So like I said, comment below if you saw what was happening or if I was missing something. But overall, got back. Some trades worked out very, very nicely. So a good variety here, but 6 total trades, busy day, and I will take it all things considered. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, do a couple things for me. Hit that like button, leave a comment. Those things always help out, go a long way. So I appreciate your time. Everybody have a good one. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.